Oh, so we're going to do the quiz review. So we're going to do this with this one. So we go ahead and put our pivot point on A, and we're going to draw our smiley face. So go ahead and draw your smiley face with this. So I draw my smile. That's what moved me. And then we're going to draw a fish. So we put our center on their smiles. All right, I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one. I flip it over. I do the fifth one on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth one. Okay, and then we go ahead and do our fish. So I bisect it. I put my compass on the line of reflection, and I reflect it over. So I line it up with A. We're going to go across. Where it intersects is going to become A prime, and then I do the same thing with B. So I put my compass on B. I make my smile. And I make my smile. And it's okay if it overlaps. Put my compass on the corner of my smile. Right here. I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. I make my fish. Flip it over, put it on the other corner of the smile. And I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I make my fish again. And I know it's moving all over the place. And then we go ahead and take and bisect our fish. So we're going to cut it in half. Okay, I put my compass where it intersects, the perpendicular line intersects the line of reflection. Put on B. I go shoop, all the way across B prime. I'm going to go ahead and connect them to make my segment. And we're all done. And that's where we reflect it. Segment across the line. Okay, this one we're going to do the translation. So I'm going to change this to +3, just so we actually are able to have it on here. So from C, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 right. So 3 right, and then up 1, 2. Okay, I do the same thing. So now we have C. So now that becomes C prime. I do the same thing with B. So 1, 2, 3, up 1, 2. So right 3, up. Okay, and so we also do the same thing with D. Same thing with, and then E. And then A. It's going to be over from E. So over 1, 2, 3, up 1, 2. And we go ahead and connect our pentagon. 5 sides, it's a pentagon. And then we go ahead and connect it. So it's going to be here at -2, 1. This one is D prime is going to be at 0, 1. And actually, let's see. E is going to be at 0, 1. C is going to be at 2, 3. And B is going to be at -1, 3. So those are our points. And then this one's asking what's the image. So we go ahead and put it in our new points. So we're going to put those new points in. Okay, so this is our translation. So I'm going to substitute in those points 3 and 2. So that's K. So I'm just going to show you here. So I'm going to substitute in 3 for X. And I'm going to substitute in 2 for Y. Okay, remember that we can do where it's going to be, so 3 plus 2. So this is for K prime. It's going to be 5. 2 minus 4 is going to be -2. I do keep change, or you can also think of it as 2 minus 4 is -2. That's our new coordinates. Okay, for the next one, everybody, we're going to reflect across the x-axis. So I actually graph it first. So I'm going to graph them first. So I'm going to go, so A is going to be at 2, -1. Label the points, everybody. Make sure you're doing that. And then this one is going to be at 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is B. C is going to be at 0, 2. I'm going to use my compass as a straight edge, just so you know to connect those points. So you want to do that, everybody. So then you're going to go ahead and connect them. A line of reflection is the x-axis. Okay, so we're going to do that first. Okay, so we first graph these. Okay, and our second thing is we're going to reflect, and then we will translate. Okay, that's our third thing. So we're going to reflect it. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to move A. So it's down 1 from the x-axis. It's going to be up 1 from the x-axis. Same with C. So we're taking and flipping it over. So it's up 1, 2. So I'm going to go down 1, 2. B is up 4 from the x-axis. So I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we connect them. I'm going to use my compass as a straight edge. It's a long, thin triangle. Okay, make sure, everybody, that you're labeling your points. And we're going to list them over here. So we list our points over here. So A prime is going to be, so x-axis, everybody, the rule for this one is the y coordinate changes signs. So A is going to become 2, +1. B is going to become -3, -4. C, 0 stays the same, and that's going to become -2. Okay, and then we're going to translate it. So now we need to go ahead and translate it. Okay, so we're going to do where we move it left 2, up 3. So from A, so I'm going to go 1, 2, and up 1, 2, 3. Notice it's going to be double prime. So we do the same with the next one. We go left 1, 2, up 1, 2, 3. And then B is going to be 1, 2, up 1, 2, 3. Let's see. So we go ahead and connect them. Okay, and our new points. So we look at this. So for A, okay, it's now at 0, 4. For B, it's now at -5, -1. And for C, okay, it's going to be at -2, 1. For C double prime. Okay, how many lines of symmetry does it have, everybody? So it's going to have 1 vertically, 1 horizontally, and then we can also cut it, line of symmetry, we also have it going here, diagonally. Remember, it means that we can fold it and map it onto itself. So look at it and say, what can I cut it in half so that it maps onto itself? So I have 4 lines of symmetry. And that is the review, everybody. You got this.